Digital India's security breach. In 2021, the Colonial Pipeline ransomware attack caused widespread panic. It highlighted vulnerabilities even in technologically advanced nations. As India pushes towards digitalization, its cybersecurity challenges multiply. How prepared is India for such high-profile cyber threats? Ground reality of cyber threats. India witnesses over 1 million cyber attacks annually. The rapid digitalization of sectors intensifies these risks. Cyber threats can disrupt financial systems, steal sensitive data, and impair critical infrastructure. They pose challenges not just to national security but to economic stability as well. Nature and scope of threat. Cyber threats encompass a range of malicious activities. These include phishing, ransomware, and denial of service attacks. Recently, threats have evolved with the rise of AI-based cyber attacks. India's expansive digital networks are vulnerable, particularly in government and corporate sectors. Institutional Response Framework. The Indian government has established several institutions to counter cyber threats. CERT-In is a nodal agency for responding to incidents. The National Cybersecurity Policy 2013 provides a strategic framework. Yet, overlapping jurisdictions and coordination gaps persist. Challenges in execution. Despite frameworks, challenges remain in execution. Inadequate infrastructure, shortage of skilled professionals, and resource constraints are key issues. Cybercrime laws are also outdated, lacking stringent enforcement. Coordination among agencies needs improvement. Technology and modern dimension. Technology provides both solutions and challenges. Artificial intelligence can automate threat detection but also enhances sophisticated attacks. Blockchain offers secure solutions yet requires significant investment. Enhancing indigenous tech capabilities is critical. Recommendations for enhanced preparedness. India needs to invest in cyber infrastructure and training. Strengthening public-private partnerships can foster innovation. Regular updates to cyber laws and real-time threat analysis are essential. Cross-border collaboration can enhance network defense. India's journey towards a secure digital future is ongoing. Cybersecurity challenges are dynamic and require constant vigilance. By integrating technology, policy, and strategic partnerships, India can build resilient cyber defenses. A secure digital framework is foundational to national growth and sovereignty.